I want to create myself a super cheap, entry-level touring car suitable for beginners, much like the Vantage and the Comet racing that we do. So I've been out shopping and I have bought myself, are you ready for this? Wow, look at that! Hello and welcome to Popalong RC. If you are a follower of the channel, you will know that we are all about getting you guys out racing without breaking the bank. Over the years we have raced all kinds of RC cars, from the Tamiya Minis and the MO3, touring cars, GT12s and also buggies. Hopefully you would have seen some of our race meets where we have been running the FTX Vantage four-wheel drive buggy. This is a great entry-level buggy. We run the brushed version so that it's easier for beginner drivers to join in, and it keeps the competition nice and close for myself and Mark. We've also been running the 112 two-wheel drive FTX Comet at Sunderland Models. We've got quite a few videos out for these, and that is a fantastic race series starting up very soon. As far as on-road cars go, we do love our Tamiya Mini and the Mini series, and what it offers is a level playing field for all because all cars in the class are very similar. I want to create myself a super cheap, entry-level touring car suitable for beginners, much like the Vantage and the Comet racing that we do. So I've been out shopping and I have bought myself, are you ready for this? Wow, look at that! Awesome looking car. This is the FTX Banzai. The FTX Banzai is, you might know this already, a drift car. But let's take a look inside the box and see what we've got. So we need to break these seals and get inside the box. So here it is, the FTX Banzai drift car. Now I'm going to get underneath the shell and take a closer look at what we've got. The chassis design looks very similar to the FTX Vantage. We've got the four-wheel drive, shaft driven, oil filled shocks, comes with the 1800 battery. Now, with regards to the FTX Bugstar, the FTX Vantage, the FTX Toro, they all come with a 550 motor. This car here comes with a 540 motor. The gearing of this car looks very different due to the massive size of this pinion. With regards to steering, we still have a very similar, if not identical, Servo Saver. The suspension doesn't feel too bad. So we do actually have adjustable turnbuckles here, which means we can get this car calibrated and set up perfectly for the track. Looking at the car at the moment, if I just centre those up, we have got slight toe out at the front there. When it comes to racing, it's down to the little details. So although the shocks feel really good, I am going to actually take those off, refill them, and just make sure all of the shocks are really even and consistent. The main issue that I've got to overcome is grip. Now, it's a simple fix. Take the wheels off and replace them with, in fact, I'm probably going to replace them with these touring car tyres. Now, with regards to tyres, these are one of the most important parts when it comes to racing. It's all about the grip that your car has on the track. If you are going to be going to a specific club, what I would suggest is you have a chat with the locals and see what tyres they are running. There you go, the FTX Banzai. Tune in soon to see how it does on the track.